Okay.
So I always wear it in a plane and then come with When does all that thing end? 5 or 6 or 7?
6.
6.
It's like around 6.
So you probably want to wait till the very end, right?
Yeah, to meet people, I think it's. But you can request to meet people.
Yeah. No, we're not gonna leave that place for 6.
Wow.
Dr. Hernandez, it's a pleasure to be with you in
Yeah.
2023. This is definitely an eventful place.
Yeah, I think this is. We should enter tomorrow. We should enter through the other entrance.
Let's do that. Next year we should be exhibiting.
Yes.
Mobility should be an exhibit.
No, it should. It should. Yeah. Hi.
Okay, you have to go like this.
Where?
Difference.
This is digital access, and this is breeze access.
But I registered
No,
in Breeze.
you don't have breeze.
How do you know if I have Breeze?
Because you don't have a face here.
My face up there.
No, it's, well, you can go there. Please.
Okay.
I can move my face down.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. People just scan the digital pass, you can see. Mire.
Sí, allí donde hay gente. Thank you. Hola, buenas.
Upstairs for 2 to
Okay,
7.
so where do we go?
2 to 7 is upstairs.
Okay.
1 is here. I'm not sure about 1.
One is like Huawei, Nokia, all the big companies.
No, they're not 1.
Oh, really?
2 and 3, yeah.
Okay, so one, I don't know what it is. Look, AWS is here. Look, AWS. Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon, Microsoft.
Everybody's here.
But are you seriously willing to go that route? For mobility to get in the business?
Oh yes, of course. That's where the money is. It's like
You're gonna invest?
yes, of course.
You sure?
I'm sure. Yeah.
Okay. Because what I want to do is get contracts also, initial contracts, so we can get going.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, because we can get a few contracts. That's it. Harold Brown didn't come this year.
Harold Levy just enjoy his walks.
He just enjoy his Tesla and the beach. That's it. Oh, you want to print a badge?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we have to make the line. Now it's a networking badge, not like a admission badge. AI-driven information.
Edwin, mobility works.
Yes.
We have some name in the industry. People are afraid of us. If we don't come here next year as a small exhibitor and we have contracts, or we belong to this industry.
That's what I said to you. Like, you
Well,
shouldn't eat.
stupid.
Look,
Well, yeah, that's true.
there's food everywhere. I was like, okay. Look at this hall. Just freaking. It's a monster.
haven't seen Xiaomi.
There's maybe a lot of more partnerships, more collaboration to be had, which, Jim, I think brings us incredibly nicely on to another company that you are collaborating with.
Multi-billion, right? Maybe $1 trillion. $1 trillion economy. Yeah.
Sid Lois.
means fixed wireless. If that's the way.
Yeah, first wireless access.
This is the discovery area is where I'm going.
Yeah.